Today I will tell you how to make a caterpillar in MS Paint. Take this circle and make circle, okay, and make the eyes of caterpillar. Make another eyes of caterpillar. Then take the triangle, okay. Come back and make a nose. You want big nose, you can big. You can need small nose, you can small it. But I need big nose because I want to color it. Then go back in the shapes, take the line and make the line. Okay. Then you can go in the paint. Like I want to use red paint, I can choose the red and go back and press on the spray bottle. Then color it red. Then I want to color it his nose brown. I color it brown. I face color it brown and I want to color his nose yellow. Okay? Orange. Then I go in the select the rank. Okay guys? And make the sphere. Go back in the select. Press on transparent select. Okay? Then go in the picture. Then press the shift. Press the left button and drag it. You can see the caterpillar is made. Okay? Today I will tell about a caterpillar, how to make a caterpillar. Okay, this is my first video. Please like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon. And in next video I will tell you about how to erase and think what you want to erase. Okay, I will tell in next video. And